Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey.
Trip.
Brick City.
Got the gun.
Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey.
The bricks, nigga.
City. Oh yeah. I'm from that park and you know the shit. A nigga in the streets gotta tote the fifth. These niggas want me to die, nigga, picture this. I'ma grip that 5 and them leave him hit. I leave him paralyzed, nigga, know the shit. Nigga want ride, can go to the bricks. Meet up with Yacht the Diamond, you know the shit. And I'll pop your mom if you actin' slick. And if you actin' sick, I'll be your doctor. Gripping on that chopper, you know my block, bro. Wall Street, hip hop, bro. And cops is hot, bro. Try get me knocked, brother, I won't stop, bro. Till my fucking arm heartbeat go cold. Nigga, I raise the soul, hell no. These niggas really want me to blow. But I'ma blow soon, better give me room. Nigga Chuck, nigga, I see you gon' Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey. Brick City, oh yeah, Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey. Brick City, oh yeah.
Check lately, baby girl, I know you pregnant with my kids, but this is how it is. I gotta show you how I live in a tropical storm. I got it, right? You know the shit, cause there's levels to this shit. Tell them they suck a dick. I be cooling in the whip, smoking sour, getting rich. Different strings, Forgiatos on my whip, yellow diamonds in my wrist. Instagram, I take a pic, me and Trip, you know the shit. Tell me niggas love that, huh?
Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey.
It's on my back, nigga.
Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey.
It's the park, nigga. It's the park, nigga.
I'm sitting by my window now and all I hear is shots.
Bang!
And them guns be shooting, my daughter be crying and I don't know why. I live the same old life for years. And my family be stressing, these niggas be testing, and they can know they live this life. I said Asbury. Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey. Brick City, oh yeah, Asbury.
Park, nigga.
Oh, you can't forget about no New Jersey. Brick City, yeah.
Real shit, man. Want y'all to feel it.
Asbury and Brick City.